Hi guys, and welcome to Beauty Cakes, where we talk about all things beauty and curls. My name is Debbie, and for today's video we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing for the month of July. If you don't know, BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription box that costs $21 a month. I will leave all the information as well as the link to sign up if you would like to. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. And of course, this is what the box looks like. I've already opened it because I have no patience. And that's what the inside looks like. And you get a little pamphlet that gives you coupon codes and tells you all the products that are in the box and their prices. And I will leave everything that I received in my box linked. I will leave it listed in the description box below along with the pricing. And the good thing about BoxyCharm is it comes with 4 to 5. I think it's like deluxe or full-size products, but my box is really good this month and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I guess I'll go in the order that they're listed in here. So the first thing is this no needles no more baggage ID puffing gel. It looks like that. And that sounds really interesting, and I'm really excited to try it. Hopefully, because I have sensitive skin, hopefully it doesn't cause my eyes to get irritated or anything like that. But it says after your eye moisturizer, or a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. Let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. It just sounds so cool, and I believe this is a full size. And it says the full size retails for $42, and I'm pretty sure that that's a full size because usually eye products come in smaller containers. The next thing is the Tarte Ready Set Radiance Skin Mist, and I believe this is a full size too. This looks like that. And this is a setting spray, so I'm excited about that. And I believe that's a full size too, and that retails for $25. And then the next thing I see, and I'm looking down because I have my pamphlet down here. I'm trying to go in order. The next thing is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. It comes in this little squeeze tube type of thing. And I'm going to go ahead and open it. And this is supposed to be a volume and curl mascara. And the wand actually does looks like a pretty good wand. So I am excited to try it and see if there is hopefully no transfer at the bottom. Because I can't stand when mascaras do that. And I think the packaging is really cute. I like it. And then next thing is the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. And it's with argan oil. Let's see, I got the shade Desert Rose 05. That's with the little box that it comes in. And it looks like that. In the back you could see. I'm just going to open it. And it's like a dusty rose kind of color, I would say. It's kind of between a rosy kind of color and a coral kind of color. It's really pretty. I really do like blushes like that. And it looks like that. Comes with a mirror. And also comes with a little brush, I guess. I probably won't use. But, I mean, it's good that it comes with this. And it says that this blush retails for $11.99. It's pretty good. And I'm pretty sure that this is full size because that looks pretty big for a blush. I'm always down for a good blush. And then the last thing is the Chela Beauty Eyebrow Cream. And I guess this side comes with a brush. And I've used Chela products before. I believe I got, when I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, I used to have, I think it was an eyebrow pencil that they gave me. And it was a really good eyebrow pencil. So I've used it and I really do like Chela products. So one side is the brush, and then the other side is the cream, I guess. It's in there. Let me go ahead and dip it in there, see if it's the right color for me. That's kind of a cool concept. This would be good for like traveling. It looks like it's a color I could work with. I mean, it looks light right there. I don't know if I would use this brush though. We'll have to try it. But I will say that BoxyCharm nailed it this month. I am going to use and try everything that is in this box. There's nothing that I'm like, I'll pass it on, or I'm not going to use that. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe that everything in this box was full size, because this seems kind of full size-ish to me too. And this retails for $26. So this was a really good BoxyCharm. That's going to be hard for my other boxes to beat, because I really like everything in here. Like, I'm excited to try everything in here. So that is it for this month's BoxyCharm. If you guys are subscribed to BoxyCharm, let me know if you guys got the same thing or what products that you guys got. Don't forget to like this video or give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.